Welcome to a new episode of Disneyland California. Today we're taking you on a journey to explore the sights and sounds of this magical park. From iconic attractions to hidden gems, join us as we immerse ourselves in the atmosphere and energy that make Disneyland truly unforgettable.
outside the rest. And be sure to watch your kids. Oh, and never forget, those feet there.
Wacht, weg. Zei je? Helemaal nergens. Hollywood Studios, so-called big look. Hello Goofy, how are you? Yeah, fine, yeah, me too, yeah. Yeah, it's Mickey, yeah. Yes, very nice, yeah, you like Mickey? Yeah, I show you. Look. Yeah, yes, from here, there, yeah, very nice. Can you make a video, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, he wants a video.
Yeah, yeah, awesome, very nice. You make it. Yeah. Do you like this also? Yeah. Yeah, it's yummy. Yeah.
Alrighty. It's just a video, Goofy. There we go. Beautiful.
Thank you, Goofy. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's from my home. Yeah. Over the sea. Yeah.
Came overseas just to see you.
Yeah. It's from Germany. Yeah. Holland. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Doing some drinking? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Goofy.
I think he likes the beer.
Maybe. Do you? It is Food and Wine Festival after all, you know? Do like a little bit of drinking. Oh, he's swimming? Yeah, you gotta swim across the sea. Yeah.
Alright. Bye-bye.
There you
Thank you,
go.
bye-bye.
Walk around Newport. Maverick can't go there. Oh, Maverick can't go on there?
Hi, friend. Hi. You just want to say hi?
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look at Disneyland Resort in California, but there's still so much more to explore, and we'll be diving even deeper into the magic in our next episode. Make sure to stay tuned as we continue our adventure through the park. See you next week for a brand new episode.